Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and today I want to talk about the Yongnuo YN216 LED spot, which is the one right behind me, the blue guy right there. So this is like I purchased for about a couple of years now, and I have to say it's by far my most favorite light for wedding receptions, especially in circumstances where light has been an issue, meaning that it's been really dim and really poorly lit at the reception hall, or if I just wanted to make the scene a little bit more dynamic by adding a spot to the dance floor or to the first dance. And I really like to shoot when the light is up top behind the couple and I'm right here in front of the couple, so I get that really nice lens flare. So this is my favorite light for wedding reception shoots. And the best part of it all is that it's so cheap. You could purchase it for about $58, and in Canadian that's probably about 70. You should Google that. The other thing I really like about this light is how small and tiny it is. I can easily pack it in my bag along with the light stand without having to carry a suitcase of just lights for a wedding shoot when I'm already carrying so much gear to it. So this light has a color rendering index of about 90%, which isn't too bad, but it's not close to 95%, which would have been more ideal. I wouldn't use it as my key light for an interview or even as a fill light, but I'll definitely use it as a hair light or just to add another light to give some sort of dynamic, to make the shot more dynamic. Like I'm doing right here, I'll definitely use it for that. So let's bring the light over so I can show you guys in more detail. Oh, it's really bright. Let me turn it off first. So I have this right now with a blue filter as a snap-on filter, which is a little flimsy, not my favorite. I always have to be very careful when I put these guys on, just in case I break something. It also comes with these other filters, a red one and an orange one for warmer light. It comes with these barn doors that you can adjust, which are not that useful in my opinion, but I mean, I guess they're nice to have. You could power the light with a DC input right here. I have it powered right now with an MPF battery. You could buy original MPF batteries from Sony, or you could buy knockoff brands on Amazon, which I'll link to in the description below. Another cool thing about this light is that if you do not have an MPF battery, but seriously, who doesn't have an MPF battery nowadays? So another cool feature about this light is that it can be powered by AA batteries in case you're one of those few people who do not have an MPF battery. But if you don't, again, I have links in the description below so you can get yourself a couple of those or more of those. But right here, you can open the compartment. AA batteries. It runs on 6 AA batteries. I have never used this light with AA batteries, so I'm not sure what the power output is like or how long these batteries would last. But again, it's useful and it's there if you ever wanted to use AA batteries. Right now, I also have it hooked onto this light stand to cold shoe adapter right here, which I would also link to in the description below. The light doesn't come with one of these guys if you wanted to mount this on a light stand. What it does come with though is one of these guys right here. If you've bought speed lights or flashes in the past, these will look quite familiar to you. Just a cold shoe for the light right here. You can screw it in and it'll have you have the ability to put this on a tripod or on a light stand as well with the 3/8" thread. My other light right there just died on me. I'll turn this guy right here and bring the blue back to the scene like so. And again, you have to be very careful just to not break any of the plastic, as this is a very plasticky, flimsy light. I mean, for the price, you can't beat it. If you break it, get yourself a new one, I guess. So right here, this button controls the power of the light, on and off. This controls the output of the light. I right now have it set to fine. That's why it takes a while to get to the maximum output. But if I hit this button again, it'll be back to regular, and I can quickly go down and lower that lighting output. Show you this way like that. And this light is also a variable color light. It goes from 3200K to 5500K, warm to daylight. Well, right now I have it set to blue, so you can't really tell, but let's get rid of that filter. I can adjust this to a more white, like so. I turn it up. And I'll set this guy behind me just to light my background again in blue. And there you have it, guys. So this is the Yongnuo YN216 spotlight. Such a versatile light. It's really small. Most importantly, it's really, really cheap. If you wanted to bring something small to the wedding day, you do not want to carry around an extra case full of lighting. Sometimes this is the only light I carry to a wedding, and it's worked perfectly for me. So if you liked this light, if you'd like to check it out, please check out the link in the description below. And as always, guys, please subscribe if you like this video. If you would like to see more of these kinds of videos, hit the bell and stay tuned for more videos. And until next time, guys.